The Lifetime Adventure Tower is packed with exciting features designed for endless outdoor fun. It includes an integrated car map on the tower floor, encouraging imaginative play. Kids can climb up using the climbing ladder or challenge themselves with the rock climbing wall. Once at the top, they can enjoy the fade-resistant slide, ensuring long-lasting durability. The steering wheel adds an interactive touch, while the set also features 2 swings with rubberized grips to prevent pinching. For even more activity options, there's a trapeze bar and a drawing board for creative play. Built with sturdy steel construction, this playset is rust-resistant, low maintenance, and safe. Plus, it's made with all weather-resistant materials, so it won't crack or split, providing lasting enjoyment for years to come. Lifetime, built to last, built for fun. Order yours from Competitive Edge Products today.